I'm not tricking. It really is 3 ingredients, 1, 2, 3, for a no-bake applesauce cake. Let me show you how to do it. So I bought applesauce. I prefer homemade applesauce, but I wanted to show you that it's not my applesauce, it's any applesauce. I'm taking graham crackers and Cool Whip. So we're going to line the graham crackers on a pan, and you can make this either in a pan that has sides, or you can do it like this, where I'm gonna go all the way around with the frosting, the Cool Whip. But you can make it as big or as small as you wanna do it. That's totally up to you. So we're gonna take the graham crackers, place them down. We're gonna put a little layer of applesauce on them. And we're gonna repeat that until as high as you wanna go so that it's not tipping over. And make sure you get the applesauce all the way to the edges. That's gonna make a big difference on how it tastes. So just keep doing that. And each layer, add on some more applesauce. Does it matter if the applesauce is cinnamon flavored? No, absolutely not. Does it matter if it's chunky? No, it does not matter. So what's gonna happen is the juices from the applesauce are gonna soak into the graham crackers, and they're gonna cause it to soften and make that cake layer. And it is surprisingly really, really good. And then we're gonna put the Cool Whip on top to give it that frosted look. And it is absolutely delicious. It's one of the easiest things, really good project for if you have some kids and you really don't want them dealing with the oven at all. They can make this cake and then have it ready. You do have to wait about like an hour and a half, 2 hours in the refrigerator, because it needs time for that to soften up. And like I said, I'm just going to keep repeating. If you want to make one little tiny square for yourself because it's just you, that's not a problem. Just break them in half, and any size you want to do, this will work. Again, what kind of applesauce you use makes a huge difference as to the flavor of your cake. And I like to make my own applesauce, but I wanted to show that it didn't matter if it was mine or store-bought. So I'll just keep doing this until it's stacked up. Now that I have it all layered up, I've used about a 24-ounce jar of applesauce and 2 sleeves of graham crackers. You can keep piling it higher and higher. Just remember that it might get a little wiggly on top. You can add more applesauce in between the layers, but again, you don't want them to be like sliding around. You want them to stay in one spot. So to this, I'm taking some whipped topping, and make sure that it's, thawed out, and add that right to the top. If you're doing this in a pan with sides, you would just put it right on top. On this one, I'm gonna put it along the sides also. All right, it's all set to go in the refrigerator. I'm just gonna cover it with some saran wrap just to keep it nice. And we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, or you can go overnight, either or. And then we will dive into this cake. The cake is all done. It's been a few hours now. So I'm gonna take that saran wrap off. You can see it didn't take that much off of the top. And we're gonna slice it, and you're gonna have the moment of truth.
Yes. That'd be a big piece.
I'm gonna scooch that all the way off to the side so they can see it. Do you see all the layers in the cake? Isn't that pretty? I probably could have done even more of the applesauce in between the layers, but this will work just fine. So let me serve some of this up. I'm gonna do it this way so you can see it.
Is that mine? Okay.
Yep. There's yours. Here's mine. Again, I just want to show you all those pretty little layers.
All right, let's give it a try.
In the summer, this is so nice because you don't have to bake anything in the oven.
That's really good.
I know.
Simple.
It's a very simple, easy, no bake. 3 ingredients, and like an hour or 2 later, you have an apple cake.
Very good.
So,
good job.
You can find this recipe at the end of the video, and of course there's other recipes and tips and tricks at our Sharky's Greenhouse YouTube channel
And make sure to hit subscribe while you're there. We'll see you later.
Bye-bye.